Make your own sweet tea. All you need is a large boiling pot, a juice dispenser, a kitchen scale, 5 black tea bags, sugar and 2 lemons, and some water of course. Put the pot on the kitchen scale and fill it with 3 liters of water. That weighs around 3 kilos. Bring the water to a boil. Once the water is boiling, turn off the fire. Add the tea bags and let them sit for a while. After 10 minutes, remove the tea bags from the pot. In a small bowl, weigh 100 grams of sugar. Add it to the tea and stir it until all the sugar has melted. Let it cool down a bit and then pour the sweet tea into the juice dispenser. Mine is suitable for 3.5 liters. Cut the lemons into slices and add them to the sweet tea. Let it sit for a couple of hours and then enjoy your homemade sweet tea. Thanks for watching!